Hey Snow Fighters, check this out. Today, we just made history at KAGE Innovation. Guess what we installed today? A brand new brake press. President and founder of KAGE Innovation, here to talk about the brake press. Hey Mike, tell us about it.
Well, let me do my hair here real quick. Okay, so this is an ADS 3220, which means it's about a 240 ton, US ton brake press, so we can bend our 1/2 inch. I think when we get up to about 1/2 inch thick and 8 feet wide, 1/2 inch thick, we can bend that 90 degrees. So
wow,
it's pretty good.
It's
yep.
Pretty thick steel.
Yep. And so this has got the sky control over here too. So what that means is that when we're doing all of our offline programming, we can put it on here. And you know, when you get into those 3-dimensional parts with all kinds of different bends, you know, I got a 45 on one side, you're making a box, and then you got maybe a 90 over here and stuff like that. Well, the sky control is totally 3D, so once the programming is done offline, we just run, you know, we got a network cable, we just run it right into this software, the sky control here, and then the operator can see exactly which bends come where and when.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, takes all the human error potential out of it.
Wow.
And then also, if you go into the back, let's go around the back side here. I have to squeeze in here. So all 5-axis back gauge. So a lot of the, you know, it's common to have like a 3 or 4-axis back gauge. But basically what this does is it has fingers that set the distance from the punch where the materials get put in, and the fingers dictate exactly where the stop is, and so you get the bend more accurate. And the 5-axis is so that if you have like an angled part, so 5-axis means that you can form a part that's angled. You know, do a cone shape even if we wanted to.
Wow, check that out. Can you do that with the 1/2 inch? Or 1.5 inch?
Oh yeah, no. We can't form 1.5 inch
at 90
degrees. No. But we can cut it.
That's great.
So.
All right, well thanks Mike. Thanks for telling us about this awesome new brake press that we have here at KAGE Innovation. KAGE Innovation out. Woo!